Very nice. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out. All right. Now just see here. This is our Karnataka symbol, logo. Okay. It says Satyamev Jai. Satyamev Jai, it means victory is always true. Okay. And victory is only going to win. So here in this symbol, as per my eyesight, I can see elephant. Okay. Lion and a bird. So we are going to do this exercise. You are going to choose yourself what role you are going to play here right now. You want to become an elephant, come lion, or a strong lion, or a bird. Okay, so it's your choice. You can do either this or that. All right, and I'll request you one thing, since you all are grown up, do not share or write anything on your screen, because I have a command here so I can see everything. All right, yeah, very good. Good boys and girls. So again, stand up. See, this exercise is going to make ourselves fit, strong and healthy. So if I will do the exercise, I'm going to make myself fit. If you are eating, you are going to make yourself fit in this way. So you are going to decide during this session, you want to eat or you want to do the warm-up exercise. All right. So here for lion action, you are going to do like a mountain climb. See, in this way. All right. Running in the spot with elephant and lion, or if not that, you can do the bird exercise like this. All right. How many district in Karnataka? Unmute and tell me. All right. So since we don't have time, I'll not wait for answer. Here we go. We have a 30 state in district in Karnataka. Sorry, again, we have a 30 district in Karnataka. So our next exercise is 2-minute challenge for everyone. Then ma'am will tell you in between all the state name through this slide. Okay. And right now is your challenge time is going to start. Every 2-minute challenge for 30 jumping jack. Jumping jack is, this is called jumping jack. Okay. Both the hands side and bounce your body up and jump. Okay. 30 jumping jack. 30 jumping jack within the 2 minutes, because we have a 30 district. Okay. Start 30 jumping jacks, everyone. After my 3 count, you can start. 1, 2, and 3. 30 jumping jack count. Now breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. All right. So you have learned that we have a 30 districts. All right. We have a 30 districts. And who will tell me near sister states are there? Sister state is there, na? Near Karnataka, few sister states are there, that we can learn all the sister state name doing some exercise, relaxing exercise. All right. Not a fast exercise. We are going to laugh. Open your mouth and laugh. Okay. Or you can look towards me and laugh. Open your mouth and laugh. Okay? Clap and laugh. Clap and laugh. Very nice. Very nice. All right. You are going to laugh, clap, jumping jack, mountain climbing, butterfly exercise. Very nice. Now relax, breathe in, breathe out. And when you're not doing exercise here, since you have logged in for the fun fitness session and your video is on, we can see everything. And if your video is off also, for us, no matter, this session is it is for you only. So you can understand the importance of fitness, okay? Because fitness is going to boost your inner stamina, all right? And once your stamina is strong, once your immune system is strong, none of the disease is going to attack on you, all right? So that is why fitness is very important. If you see the video in YouTube or Facebook nowadays, everyone is using YouTube and Facebook. You can see a small kids. They are very much interested towards the fitness. Why can't you and me do the same thing in your in their age? They are just, that is why only I said -7 from your age, because I have seen so many video where kids are just a 8 year or 10 year old, but they made a 6 pack, 7 pack, 9 pack, 10 pack. Why can't we make at least 2 pack? 2 pack means strong body. Okay. All right. So next exercise is a very important exercise, and this exercise you can teach to your grandparents and parents. Whenever they say, I have a body pain, I have a bones pain, muscle pain, okay, so you can teach this upcoming exercise for them. This is a without equipment exercise which is going to help for them. And just enough every day, if they'll do this exercise whenever they are free. For this exercise, actually no rule is there, okay. Whenever, whatever you are wearing, you are eating, you can do this exercise. This exercise is called clapping exercise, okay. So you and me can do this clapping exercise. Make sure when we are doing a clapping exercise, I don't want this clapping sound. See this here, palm to palm pressure. Because once you do this pressure, lots of acupressure points are here. This will help for bone pain, okay, joint pain and bone pain. So you can teach your grandparents like this. Upper, this is called upper mountain to upper mountain. That is called lower mountain to lower mountain, with the full pressure without sound, okay. See here, back side like this. For back side, you can make your fist, okay, as much as power you can give this power for yourself. It's like this. All right. Now always we are whenever we are clapping, either we are clapping in this way or say till 1 minute. Whatever exercise you are going to do, everyone is going to follow. Sayed, okay, do it, don't stop. All right, now everybody clap for Sayed Asad Mehndi. Just clap for Syed Asad Mehndi. Okay, Syed, you can show us in this way, like this. Yeah, you're happy. All right. Next, let me see who is going to become a more strong boy and girl from here. All right. So till now, you have understood about flag color and flag and the logo. All right. Now here.